it. Hi friends, welcome back to our Adventure Corner. Today, we have two super fun stories with our fuzzy friend, Mochi the Bunny. Are you ready to see what Mochi's up to? Let's go. Look, there's Mochi. Hello, Mochi. It looks like Mochi is carrying a little basket. Where are you going, Mochi? Oh, under the big, shady tree. That's the perfect spot for a lovely day out. Mochi is spreading out a beautiful red and white checkered blanket. It's a picnic. How exciting! Let's see what's inside the basket. Mochi is looking inside. What did you bring, Mochi? Oh, Mochi pulls out a big, shiny, red apple. It looks so crunchy and delicious. Mochi is so happy. But wait, Mochi looks a little sad now. He looks into his empty basket and says, I have a picnic. But I don't have enough. Poor Mochi. Having just one apple doesn't feel like a big picnic. What should Mochi do? Just then, who is this coming along? Wagging its tail and with floppy ears. It's Pip the Puppy. Hello, Pip. Pip trots over to Mochi and gives a happy little woof. Mochi looks up and sees Pip. Pip looks at Mochi's apple and then at Mochi's sad face. Mochi thinks for a moment. He looks at his one apple, then at his new friend Pip. A big smile spreads across Mochi's face. He holds out the shiny red apple to Pip. Would you like to share my apple? Mochi asks. Pip's tail wags even faster. What a kind friend Mochi is. Sharing is so nice. But wait, Pip has an idea. P.I. Pip runs off for a second and comes right back. And what's that Pip is carrying? It's a long yellow banana. Pip carefully places the banana on the picnic blanket next to the apple. I have a banana. We can share, barks Pip happily. Wow, look at that. Mochi has an apple, and Pip has a banana. Now they have two yummy fruits for their picnic. Mochi carefully splits the apple in half. One half for Mochi, and one half for Pip. Pip peels the banana and breaks it in two. One piece for Pip, and one piece for Mochi. They both sit on the blanket, munching on their delicious fruit. Crunch, crunch, goes the apple. Yum, yum, yum goes the banana. They are both so happy, eating together and enjoying the beautiful day. Mochi looks at Pip and says, sharing is fun. Pip gives a happy woof in agreement. It's so much more fun to have a picnic with a friend. What a wonderful picnic surprise. Sharing makes everything better, doesn't it? And that's the end of our first story. Wasn't it sweet how Mochi and Pip shared their food? Now, let's get ready for another magical adventure with Mochi. I wonder what will happen next. Here we go again. Look, Mochi is hopping through a beautiful, green meadow filled with colorful flowers. What a lovely day! Mochi is exploring and looking around. What's that? Mochi spots something sparkling in the grass. It's shiny and has a little star on the end. What could it be? Mochi hops closer and gently picks it up. It's a magic wand. A real, glowing magic wand. Mochi is so surprised and excited. He holds it up and gasps. Look! It makes shapes. A little spark flies from the tip of the wand. This is going to be so much fun. Mochi gives the wand a little wave. Whoosh! What will it make? A beautiful, bright yellow circle appears in the sky. It's perfectly round, just like a ball. Mochi looks up at it and giggles. It's a circle. Just like the sun. He shouts with joy. There, the circle floats up, and shines brightly in the sky. A circle is round and has no corners. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger? Round and round we go. Mochi is having so much fun. He decides to wave the wand again. What shape will he make this time? He waves it carefully, up, across, down, and across again. Poof! A big blue square appears right in front of him. A square has 4 straight sides, and all the sides are the same length. It also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, a square! It looks just like a window, Mochi says. He peeks through the square window. Peekaboo! This magic wand is amazing! Mochi has an idea. He sees a little house he started to draw earlier, but it's missing something. He knows just what to do. He takes the magic wand and with a flick of his wrist, he draws a pointy shape on top of the house. Zap! A red triangle appears, sitting perfectly on top of the house. It's a roof! A triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 pointy corners. 1, 2, 3. A triangle! It's the perfect roof for my house. Mochi cheers. Look at that! Mochi used his magic wand to make a circle for the sun, a square for a window, and a triangle for a roof. His drawing is complete, and it looks fantastic. He made a bright sun in the sky, a house with a window to peek through, and a roof to keep it safe. Mochi is so proud. Heels. He looks at his magical creations and feels so happy. Shapes are everywhere.